Okay guys, it's me Imad. So today in this video tutorial we will learn about how to use a digital multimeter within any sort of simulation. So here first of all we have to go for our simulator, which is the dcaclab, and it is an online simulator. So we will write dcaclab and click enter. Okay, now this is our simulator, so click on it. And it will lead us to the main simulation window. So here we can see that we have a lot of components. Okay, on the above within this bar you can see wattmeter, multimeter and digital multimeter. So now we can click on digital multimeter and it is there. So now you must know that how we can measure any sort of parameter with this digital multimeter. So it has some voltage measurement section and some resistance measurement section and some current measurement section. So first of all we will go and we will measure our voltage. So we can take our battery, and our battery is 1.5 volt. We can click on its properties. Okay, and we can rotate it out at 90 degree. This is our 1.5 volt battery, and now this meter has two prods. The one with the continuity sign and buzzer sign, it is actually our positive terminal, so we can connect it with the positive terminal of the battery, and negative or common, that is the black prod, with that of the negative terminal of the battery. Okay, now I will rotate the knob or dial on the 20 volt. So we got the reading of 1.5 volt. If you will go to 2, again it is 1.5 volt. Within the voltage section we will get the same reading, that is the 1.5 volt. So in this way we can measure our voltage. Now we can go and we will take one resistor. Now we can see that this is our resistor. Okay, wait, and it is 0.995 ohm. Okay, so this is our first band, so we will select 2, and now our resistance is 21.1 ohm. So now again we will go and we will connect it with these prods. Okay, so wait, yes, like this. So I have connected prods on both sides of the resistor. Now I will rotate the knob and will and this thing from 2 mega ohm to 200 ohm. This is our resistance section, resistance measurement or ohm measurement section, like this. So it is 21.16 ohm is shown by our digital multimeter. So we can change its value like it's to like this, and we got 550.79 ohm. And if we will go for like this, so now you can see that it is 5k or 5.1k. So its range is out, so we will change our knob to 2k. Okay, and now although 2k is less than, okay, but it is showing, so it is a little bit drawback. Okay, now we will go to 20k, and then we must get this, that is 5.1k. Okay, and like this. So in this way we can measure our resistance. Okay, now we will go and we will measure current. So for current we have to connect this multimeter or digital multimeter in series. So we will take our battery positive terminal with that of the red prod of the digital multimeter, and we have to search for our lamp. So this is our lamp. We have to connect it just like this, and the okay, like this. Now we can see that we are having some current flowing, and our lamp has been gone. Why it is so? Okay, well, let me see what's the problem. Okay, so we can go, our lamp is gone, although it is just 1.5 volts. So why it has, so we have to change our, so it is showing max voltage 3. So we can change its color to like this, okay. Now okay, now we will change our knob to 100 milliampere. Okay, so in this way we can measure 100 milliampere, this, and now I will run our simulation. So its voltage is like 3, so we can reduce it to 1.5 volt, 1.5 volts. So like this. So it is not showing any sort of, okay, we have to increase the voltage to 2.7 and all this, but our lamp is not going to on. Okay, we can go, although we have connected it properly. Let me see what's the problem. We have to connect these in series, but here it is not working properly. Okay, so like this, run it out, no current is flowing. Let me again make this. Okay, yes, like this. So our circuit is not connected properly like this. So now we will remove this line, okay, and we will connect it like this, and this. Again we will, okay, well, let me reduce the voltages of the battery, like 2.44 or like 3.05. Its max voltage is 3. Okay, so, and our, okay, it is providing, yes, although digital multimeter must be connected in the series, but it is not going to work with us. So we will not use this 100 milliamp knob, although it is working like this. So it is maybe it is some more current, or like this. So we will go and we will take 10 ampere one, okay, and for 10 ampere we need this knob, not the ordinary one. So we have to connect it like this, common, and this one, and our now I am connecting. Okay, now I am again taking this lamp out like this, and you can see our meter is showing current, that is 0.6, but why my lamp keep on destroying, I'm not sure. Okay, because although we have changed its properties to 3 volt, let me see, can I adjust maximum voltage, is like 4 or 5. Okay, so now it is in the safe mode. Now you can see, so it is 244 milliampere, and we are getting 0.243 ampere, and our bulb is okay now. So in this way we can measure current, voltage and resistance or ohm value with the help of this digital multimeter. So thanks for visiting our channel, and don't forget to subscribe.